Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. Slow roasted maple lamb with fettuccine, fennel and olives. There's not a great percentage of people that watch these videos all the way through. They only get to a point and they turn it off. Why?
That's just how it works.
Really? So how do they get the recipe?
They're not watching it for the recipe, they're watching it for the entertainment.
How's that for entertainment?
You know what we're doing today? Slow cooked maple lamb shanks with fettuccine, fennel and olives. 2 parts. Yeah! Slow cooked because why?
You're a bit slow today.
Slow because you cook it slowly in the oven. We are going to lightly oil the bottom of my wonderful, someone asked me about this, and it's a bessemer casserole. I mean, I've had it for such a long time I don't even remember where I got it from. Look at those, they're pretty meaty lamb shanks. And the beauty with lamb shanks is that the longer you leave them to cook in something, the better they get. Oh my God, they fall off the bone. Salt. Salting.
Wait, can I ask a question? It's on your arm.
What? There's nothing on my arm.
All those years being out in the sun didn't really pay off.
Shut up. Okay, we're putting them in here. They're not sizzling yet, but they will. So all we're doing in here is we're browning them off. Did you say that I brought grapefruit juice?
That's for Dante.
Hang on a second.
Yeah, but
Everyone
don't drink all of it. Yeah, but you're you guzzle everything that you touch.
Well, you can fucking talk.
I can monitor my food.
Guys, can I remind you that I'm just cooking a recipe here? I think he's allowed a glass of grapefruit
Yeah, but I know what, he's going to go back for more glasses, and then more glasses, and then it's going to be none left.
You have a problem, and it won't get better till you admit it.
I admit this. You better shut your big yap.
Oh, you shut up.
No, you shut up.
No, you shut up.
Oh, shut up.
Shut up.
Shut up.
No, it was you that drank.
Why don't you?
Oh, shut up.
This is actually my life. See, no wonder I'm so fucking mental. We just keep turning them around so that they brown all over. You kind of just want to seal them off. Next, crushed garlic, couple of cloves, balsamic vinegar, maple syrup, fennel seeds, a couple of those, and some water. We'll let that get up to a little boil. And I have got my oven already been going at 160, and because I have to go to the hairdresser, because they're the only service left on the planet, I'm going to let them just cook away for at least 3 hours. So when I come back, I'll be all coiffed, and we'll have some yummy lamb to take out of the oven and add the pasta and the fennel and the olives. Hey!
What are you going to do, drink all the water now?
Leave him alone. So it's been 3 hours. I've come back from the hairdresser, and Alex, what do you think?
Spunky.
Thank you. So let's get that stuff out of the oven. Don't freak out if you open it and it looks like that. Ah! That is because of all the sugars. That's what it's supposed to look like. Now what we do, we put in the curly fettuccine into the boiling water. Oh my God, look at that. The test is whether or not it's just gonna fall off. And I think that there is the answer. Look at that. Let's just do all of that, shall we? Whoa, off it falls. Just get that meat off. So now, the fennel. Cut it thinly, and we're going to stir the fennel through because we're going to put this back in the oven with the lid off. See these leaves? They are fennel flavoured little bits of divineness. Don't waste them. In it goes, back in the oven, without the lid, for guess how long?
5 minutes.
Oh,
8.
15. Ah! Oh yeah. Look at that. Olives and the drained pasta. All right, so we've got sticky balsamic-y sauce that we need to cover this pasta in. Alex, what are we thinking?
Give me the pasta.
Then pecorino on the top, and then as a little piece de resistance, a little bit of this lovely fennel fur, as I like to call it. Look at that. Holy moly! Okay, all right, I know. I just warmed myself up. This is my warm-up for cooking. Every person should do it.